Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $300 of Temu's promo code. So in order to do that, you first need to come to coupons.com and you need to use the search bar and search for Temu. Once you are able to find Temu, you just have to click on it and you will notice that they have currently 29 Temu coupon codes available, with the help of which you can get up to 90% off on Temu. So you just have to select any of the coupon codes in which you are interested, as we are looking for the $300 of coupon code. So you just have to simply scroll down and you just have to try to find that offer. If you are able to find that, then you simply need to click on the get deals option, and then it will show you this type of pop-up in front of you, where it will show that in order to avail this offer, you just have to use the clearance items that are available on Temu. And in order to avail it, you don't need to have actually any coupon code. So you just have to simply go to store and it will redirect you on temu.com. Here you need to either log in into your account, and you can even create your account if you don't have your account on it. Then you just have to select the products from the clearance sale on Temu and add them in your cart. After that, at the time of checking out, you will notice that your cart value is reduced by $100, as you have successfully availed the $100 of coupon code on Temu. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.